Precision 88, also commonly referred to as P88, is a dietary antigen test. Let's talk through test preparation. In your test kit, you will see you have a silver pouch and a gel pack. Those two things need to go into your freezer today. They will act as an esky for transportation. It's really important that the sample does stay cold for transportation. You'll see you've got two collection vials there with red lids, and there's one with a blue lid. You'll see that there's a little plastic pipette, a test collection instruction booklet. You also have a requisition form, which you will need to fill out with all of your personal details. There's a clear biohazard bag, and there's a toll courier bag and a consignment note. You'll also see that there is a note in there for the collection centre to have a look at. Preparation for this test is pretty easy actually. There's not a whole lot to do. So you do need to pre-freeze that gel sachet and the silver pouch. 4 weeks prior to the test, you do need to have ceased taking immunosuppressive drugs. Now, if these are important for your well-being, please have a conversation with your practitioner and just make a plan around that. You can continue eating your normal diet. And please tell your health coach in advance, ideally the week before, that you're going to be performing this test because we will need to organise the courier for you. On the test day, so this test must be collected on a Monday. Do it early Monday morning. This is not fasted. You can just basically head down to your local Melbourne Pathology Collection Centre. When you go down to the collection centre, just take the whole kit, put everything in the box and take everything with you, including the little frozen gel pack and the silver pouch. What will happen is they're going to do a blood draw. They then let the sample sit for something like 20 minutes, and then they need to centrifuge it. So you will be there for a little bit of time. As your sample needs to be kept cold, when they give you the sample back, pop it into the little silver pouch with the gel pack and pop it inside your biohazard bag. Keep everything in the box together. Take it directly to the collection address that you've told your coach, and please keep it in the fridge until it's collected by the courier. Please make sure all of the paperwork has been filled out correctly and the sample has your personal details on it. And then again, let your coach know through Slack once the courier has made the collection. After the collection, well, we basically are just waiting for those results to come back. They do go to the States, so we're looking at normally about a 4-week turnaround, unless it's Christmas or a busy time of year, but normally it's around about 4 weeks. We'll let you know as soon as those results come in and make sure that you have an appointment with your practitioner to discuss the outcome.